this video, let's look into the stock exchange, what are its types and why it is important. Stock exchange, it provides a platform for the investors and traders to buy and sell shares of the companies, especially publicly listed companies. Let's see how the stock exchange works. When the company issues the shares through an IPO, the companies list their shares on the stock exchange. Then the investors or traders, they can buy through stock exchanges. Any investor or trader, they cannot directly buy from the stock exchanges. Instead, they have to create an account through the brokers app like Zerodha, Upstocks, Stockart, etc. Then the broker acts as a middleman between you and the stock exchange. The broker connects you to the stock exchange. Hence, the transaction happens. You can trade, buy and sell the shares of the listed companies. The main role of the stock exchange here is it ensures the safe transactions and your trade happens at the fair price and proper settlement of your trades. This is the main role of stock exchange. It acts as a regulatory body. NSE and BSE, these are the two major stock exchanges in India. NSE, it is incorporated in 1922, and BSE, it is founded in 1875. It is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. And the NSE stands for National Stock Exchange. Its index is Nifty 50, top 50 companies. Nifty 50 means it's an index. Index is, it measures the top 50 companies, performance of the top 50 companies. If Nifty, for example, if Nifty goes by 100 points, if Nifty moves up by 100 points, then on an average, the top 50 companies are performing well and the price goes up. What is strength? Strength of NSE is high trading volume and there is a more liquidity. Trading volume is the number of shares that are traded during a specific period of time. It may be one day, week or a month. Liquidity is more number of buyers or sellers available in the National Stock Exchange, and it is the style is, it is a fully automated screen based system, and more 2000 plus companies are listed in the National Stock Exchange. In Bombay Stock Exchange, the index is Sensex top 30 companies. It tracks the performance of the top 30 companies in India. The strength is more number of companies are listed in BSE, more than 5000 plus. And the style is, earlier it used to adapt the traditional, it used to follow the traditional method. Later, it adapted the modern tech-driven technologies. Here the volume is low as compared to the National Stock Exchange. That's all for the day. If you like my videos, please do subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. Thank you.